Welcome back. You're watching Business Lunch on CNBC-TV18. Well, this year has seen pharma companies, barring a few such as Sun Pharma and Cipla, underperform the frontline indices. While the Pharma Nifty index has fallen 9%, the Nifty has risen a little less than that number. So what have been the highs and lows this year for the pharma sector and what lies ahead? Ekta joins in to decipher the year gone by and what we can expect in 2023. Take a look.
2022 saw opportunities from COVID-19 dwindling. Case in points with the likes of Serum stopping manufacturing of its AstraZeneca vaccine, Zydus and Dr. Reddy's COVID-19 vaccine sales not taking off, Wockhart's UK sales falling as supplies to the UK government dipped, and lastly, Divi's Labs seeing dwindling intermediate supply opportunities for Merck's COVID-19 drug Molnupiravir. For the US, an important development was a clutch of Indian companies such as Natco, Dr. Reddy's, Cipla, launching the generic version of the blockbuster cancer drug Revlimid generic. Challenges included fierce price pressure in the US, continuing with the likes of Lupin exiting certain drugs and Aurobindo delaying its injectable sales guidance of $650 to $700 million to FY25. It was also a patchy year for US FDA inspections, with problems continuing for the likes of Sun's Halol facility, Cipla's Goa plant, Glenmark's Baddi plant. Price pressure, delayed launches in the US, supply challenges along with inflation weighed on most companies' margins in FY23. Gland and Divi saw margins sharply fall year-on-year in first half. Aurobindo reported margins at multi-quarter lows of 13.7% in Q2. And while Lupin saw recovery in margins in Q2, it disappointed with margins hitting lows of 7% at one point. 2022 was a year of acquisitions in India as companies scouted for growth. We saw companies either buying one or a portfolio of brands such as Dr. Reddy's and JP Chemicals, buying cardio drugs from Novartis, or Mankind scooping up Panacea's domestic brands. Not in the domestic market, but this year was also marked with the $3 billion buyout of the global company Viatris's biosimilar business by Biocon. So what is the way forward in 2023? The ability to withstand price pressure in the US, which would be fueled by key drug launches in the US such as Lupin's inhaler drug Spiriva generic, Cipla's cancer drug Abrixon, or Biocon's biosimilar insulin aspart and Bevacizumab, and continued sales for Sun Pharma's specialty business. 2023 will also be marked by companies undertaking remediation to solve their outstanding US FDA issues and taking steps to fuel growth in other markets such as India and even China. As always, let's leave you with the valuations of companies on an FY24 basis, what they started 2022 with, and where they are ending the year with.
All right, Ekta, thanks a lot for recapping that entire year for us as far as the pharma space goes. But on that note now, we're going to wind down on this edition of Business Lunch. Thank you very much for tuning in. And stay with us because Mid-Cap Radar comes up next.